Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you and talk about the metric that we have in our reporting tab that discusses the amount of content on canonical pages. So to access this tab from the home screen, you just simply click on reporting, or you can navigate to a project and click on the reporting link. There's a number of places where you can access this from, but I'm not going to go into all of that in this video. You'll notice here that there's lots and lots of data. We're going to just collapse some of these tabs so that we can look at the canonical content section. Now, canonical content refers to content that is on canonical pages. So if a page has a self-referential canonical tag, then we consider it to be canonical, and we count the words on those pages. We typically do this because having canonical content is the content that you want to appear within the search results, and is the content that you want probably to most likely optimize and improve keyword targeting and its organic visibility. So I've already covered other videos in this section. What we're going to look at here is the pages with more than 2,000 words. There's nothing, the green thermometer next to this that shows that everything's fine really just indicates that this is a check that's been passed. There's no major error. The first thing you'll notice after that is that there's a drop down just sort of explaining that there's a large amount of content on this page. This is just informational, and it shows you the distribution of content across your site. If you do have pages that have like a lot of content, so if we click on one of these two numbers that show the latest and previous crawl, both of these you can select. So if you want to compare one crawl to another crawl, you can do so. If we click on this number here, this will take us through to a page that shows us all of the pages that have more than 2,000 words of content. We can structure this by the largest to smallest, and we can see here that we've got some pages with some fairly large amount of content on them. You know, over 13,000 words on some, over 9, 6, and 5. A lot of this content is fine because it's designed to be used in the way that it's been made, and there's no reason to do anything with that. If you do find pages that have like particularly large amounts of content on them and you want to paginate that content, you can use this data to help you inform those kinds of strategic decisions. So just to recap, you can see the canonical content under the canonical content section within the reporting tab, which is under the summary section. You can see data for the for any of the two crawls, the difference between those two crawls, and if we go to our SEO auditing section, which we cover in a lot more detail in another video, you'll be able to see all of this as a graphical representation in terms of a graph, and the competitor analysis also, which we cover in more detail in another video, shows you how you can compare the distribution of content on your site to that of your competitors for benchmarking or SWOT analysis. So I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching.